Today, we're making a Szechuan pork, also known as shredded pork with garlic sauce. This dish has a nice hot and tangy sauce that coats all the pork and veggies. The flavor goes so well with the thinly cut pork, and each bite is just bouncy and delicious. These can be served with rice or other dishes. So, let's get cooking. Chop 1 bunch of green onion, julienne cut 1 carrot, and 1 cup of woodear mushrooms. Also measure out 1 cup of thinly cut bamboo shoots. For the pork, we'll use 5 boneless pork chops / steaks, and thinly cut this into strips as well. This works best to cut the pork in half to make it thinner, and then thinly cutting into strips. For the pork marinade, add half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon shaoxing wine, half a teaspoon cornstarch, and mix. For the sauce, we'll add 1 3/4 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, and 1 3/4 tablespoon of black Chinese vinegar. Mix together. Be sure to add some chili oil too if you'd like this to be spicy like me. On a wok set to high heat, add some neutral oil. Add our pork. Toss. Add 4 crushed garlic cloves. Toss some more, and allow the pork to cook while tossing for about 3 to 4 minutes. Set aside the cooked pork, and add our veggies. Toss this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add back the pork, and our sauce. The cornstarch will thicken up and allow the sauce to stick to the pork and veggies, so be sure to just continuously toss as we allow the sauce to do its thing. It should smell really good at this point, all the garlic and tangy sauce aromas. And boom, you have a delicious Szechuan shredded pork. This goes so well with some jasmine rice and has a great mix of veggies and pork. The sauce is just right, sticking to the stir fry, and has a strong flavor that blends everything together. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know down in the comments below what your favorite Szechuan food is. We'll see you next time.